What's up, guys? It's Hunter, and today we have another very exciting install on this 2021 Honda Civic Sport hatchback. We got our specific boost box enclosure, VAD M1 V1. We do have the V2 out, but we're gonna go ahead and give this customer the V1, the XLCA2X and the XKit 82. This box specifically is only for central exhaust systems. So with the sports and maybe the Type R's, they have these blocks, and this whole floor tray here comes up off the floor. The standard vehicles, the tray goes all the way down here and doesn't come with a spare tire. So this boost box does not work for those. You need to have the central exhaust and a spare tire. So let's go ahead and get started. This should be a pretty simple install. All we gotta do is break off these three blocks. This one, this one, this one. Then we're gonna peel off this wood and then fold the carpet underneath and mount it down. There should be two plastic screw holes there. Let's get her done. Alright, so we went ahead and found our wires. Our wires are light green, light blue. Light green is positive. Alright guys, as you can see, this is a fairly simple install. We went ahead, mounted the box, put the woofer back in, grabbed our signal from the front driver's kick panel. The wires for this model were light blue, light green. I believe light green was positive for this year. And ran our power wire from the battery back, grounded it, and mounted everything underneath the driver's seat, tuned it, all that good stuff. So if you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe.